Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through several ways to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands when it refuses to start on your PC. First, reboot your computer and wait until Windows loads completely. After that, launch Ubisoft Connect, Steam, or Epic Games with administrative privileges. Once your launcher is open, use its built-in option to verify the game files. This checks the installation and replaces files that are missing or damaged. Next, check for updates. Make sure both Ghost Recon Wildlands and the launcher you're using are running the latest available versions. After that, turn off unnecessary overlays from Ubisoft Connect, Steam, Discord, MSI Afterburner, and other background programs that could conflict with the game. You should also update your graphics driver if you haven't done so recently. Install the newest driver available for your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card. If the game still doesn't start, temporarily test with your antivirus disabled and add the game's installation folder to its allowed or exception list. Finally, if none of those solutions work, reinstall Ghost Recon Wildlands and Ubisoft Connect. A fresh installation can resolve more serious problems involving corrupted files or the game launcher. And that's it. Follow these steps in order, and you should be able to identify and resolve many common launch problems.